GLD Gold Trust, which we love in rallies. It was a great rally from that first top, from here to there. Then we had the great short that we were doing back in August, and then the great long again. And the GLD, there is a lot of margin debt selling in regular gold today. And we have hit a major bottom support level here in the or in the GLD, my friends. And the metals have been getting hammered, not just this gold metal, but all of them, every one of them in that space. And we always love finding buying opportunities in the GLD because we do. 9:48 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Today's date 9/22/2011. This are all the highs. So you rally up, you sell short. You rally up, but notice that all the highs in here, and then breaking down with this big gap down today, gave us a major bottom support level where that last sell-off, that great short down on a 60-minute and that great long to the tie. Here, we're testing that level, MMTs. We're going to be trading this ETF and monitoring its vitals and its support levels. We do know that the low today on the GLD was 168.90. And that the 60-minute ascending bottom support level going back up to my resistance at 170 has been a high of 170.08. So there was a nice bottom that is put in here on the GLD. But the overall broader trend of the GLD in this time frame during this calendar year from August to September anyway is that we have been in a long-term reversal, but GLD is in a reversal with a 60-minute sell signal. When the 60-minute sell signal is over, then we're going to look at scaling the bottom of the support level in the GLD. It's tradable off the bottom, and when the margin debt selling in US gets out of gold, and even in here, I mean, you know, it all has a cause and effect to it, is what I'm saying, my friends that are viewing the video. Is it's very common that you get these big margin debt selling when the values go down and people are on margin. They have to sell into it. So when all the margin debt sellers are out of gold and all the margin debt sellers are out of the GLD, we are going to look at how to take them back up, because once again, even though that the markets are selling off, every asset metal in that asset allocation class, particularly copper, particularly silver, particularly other metals, steel, all of the metals for that matter, are all selling down. And somebody asked me about miner stocks. They'd ran too far too fast. Miner stock is a gold stock. You own the company earnings. Gold is a raw form of gold. You actually own the gold. It doesn't have headlines tied to it. It's the value of what it is. And right now, because everybody's been crowded in on it, and it was a great run to the highs, we're having another gold and GLD pullback and another setup base for all-time breakouts when we get that final lower end support level. That's the GLD. And right now, margin debt selling